Hey guys, pretty excited to show you our newest part here at UPR Products. It looks like our normal anti-roll bars that we've made for the 79 to 04 Mustangs for many years, but there's one difference. We've actually brought the overall length of the bar in just a little bit so that on the bearing caps we could actually make them bolt in instead of weld in. Basically, you just weld this plate to the frame rail and then the bearing cup bolts into the plate so that the kit is now serviceable. If you want to replace the bearings, if you, God forbid, the car's had an incident or there's some damage, instead of cutting out the bar and replacing it like you used to have to do, now this is a fully serviceable bolt-in piece that you could just take out and do whatever you want to do. Another interesting option might be if you want to change from a single bar to a double bar. You could just unbolt this one, buy our double bar, and put that in the car. So it gives you a little bit of versatility that our previous kits didn't have. Just keep in mind that if you have an existing single anti-roll bar kit like this, that's not interchangeable. You would have to remove that kit to upgrade to this one. But this will be on our website at uprproducts.com shortly. And if you have any questions about it, give us a call at 561-588-6630.